Langdon here, and I'm on South Congress Avenue in the heart of downtown Austin to see what the city thinks of our new protein bites. I'm picking random strangers to taste test blindly and tell me what they think.
Tastes like Almond Joy.
Almond Joy.
Tastes like chocolate truffles.
Coconut.
Like coconut, that's what I'm getting at.
Coconut, yeah, that's it, that's it. Would you believe me if I said there were protein bites?
Oh, no, I wouldn't.
Would you believe me if I said that there's seaweed in there?
No, I would not believe that.
It doesn't contain so much sugar.
Elvis, what do you think about our new protein bites?
Perfect balance. Texture is wonderful. Oh my gosh, look like our president.
Amazing. Really good.
Would you say it's something that you would probably eat again?
Yeah, definitely.
No, it's definitely like probably the best protein bar that I've ever tasted.